Welcome, guys. I've got Randall Bates. I've got Chris Compton. It's our Muscle Car Central YouTube channel. We're glad to have you here. We've got our 67 project car. We're not really going to talk about the car. We're going to talk about ARMO and SEMA. This is the immediate past chair of ARMO. I'm a past chair of ARMO. This is Chris Compton, the chair-elect, and we were saying probably the most important.
Absolutely the most important.
We're glad to have these guys here on the channel today. While we're here, you do Distinctive Industries. You want to tell us a little bit about yourself?
About myself, I have been in the industry for around 30 years. A deep background in muscle car and restoration products, as well as Distinctive Industries is one of the leaders in the industry for muscle car and restoration, interior, door panel, seat upholstery, all vinyl soft goods. We make some pre-assembled seats. Just a very good product. Been around for around 50 years. So look for Distinctive Industries.
I like it. Hey, that car is going to have some of your products in it. We're excited, and honestly, thank you very much.
You're very welcome, and we're proud to be a partner with Camaro Central and Firebird Central on this Camaro project.
That's awesome, man. Randall Bates, ACC Carpet. If you want carpet in the industry, I'm pretty sure you got to call ACC. Well, tell me about yourself.
Not only are we the largest, but we're the only manufacturers of molded carpet left in the country. We bought everybody else out. So if you want a carpet, you're going to come to us, everything, whether you like it or not. So
you're absolutely right, but you guys are killing it.
We do it great. I couldn't be prouder to work for a company like that, and I got customers that I can not only call customers, but friends like you guys.
No.
It's a blessing to be a part of it.
It's hype. And then again, it's going to have ACC carpet in that car. And also the trunk floor mats.
Looking forward to seeing it installed.
Man, I'm excited. Thank you guys again. So, you really have an opportunity of retailers, manufacturers, and what ARMO is. Does anybody want to tell people really what ARMO is? Chair-elect, this is your time to shine. Tell us what ARMO is.
ARMO is everyone's highway to SEMA, highway to the restoration market. You can get in contact with all these companies that are participating with ARMO and SEMA. Just a great group of manufacturers, retailers, as well as restoration companies. It's just a great, just all around great business for everyone to get involved with. They're working on the political fight. They're trying to keep the gasoline engines going. There's a lot of good things with ARMO through SEMA as well.
You're absolutely right. That's kind of what we did as past chairs, is you really want to get, not only the politics side of it lined in, manufacturers, retailers, and we also had a bunch of marketing people that would be a way to put things out to the industry. So being part of ARMO, if you're not, I would say maybe look into it. It doesn't cost very much at all to become a member. You also have to be a member of SEMA, which if you're watching this video, you should be a member of SEMA.
Absolutely.
But ARMO is the arm, the restoration arm of SEMA. What does ARMO stand for?
ARMO stands for Automotive Restoration Market Organization. It's a council within SEMA. If you're into old cars and you want to put it back to the way your grandfather or grandmother or your father or mother drove it, that's the organization you need to be a part of.
Man, thank you.